Hello and welcome to Ben's Addiction. Today we are going to replace our cabin filter, which God knows for how many years it's not replaced. Unlike many other early 2000 Mercedes-Benz, this ML Class W164 and also X164, the cabin filter is located behind the glove box. So let's go ahead and remove the cabin filter and replace it. When you open the glove box door on your ML or GL class W164, you will notice that there is no opening or access point from here to be able to access the filter box cover. So there's only one way of removal, and that's the removal of the total assembly of the glove box. And that is possible by removing this cover. First of all, you need to open your glove box, and then using hand and finger, just need to remove this plastic gently from here. That's easy. And then removing one screw. The first T20 was taken, and then going ahead and removing 3 screws from underneath the footwell, and then you should go ahead and remove these 3 T20 screws and make sure you don't mix them up because these ones are different screws. Okay, as I said, there was only 7 small screws and it's taken off. The glove box is down. Okay, when you drop down the glove box, you need to make sure to remove the lighting from this connector over here. Also, you need to make sure that all of these negative connectors or plugs stay where they are, because this panel over here, the plastic one, might drop a few inches down, so you don't want to lose some of these connections from here. It's also a good time to have a look at these fuses, making sure that all in good shape, and then make sure that duct over here is in the proper location as well when putting back. But what we have over here is the compartment for the cabin filter. And how do we remove it? It's, of course, you need to push it to the right hand side, and then there you go, it's out. And don't forget that you have 2 very similar filters over here, so very slowly and gently remove it because there are dust and debris inside, as you can see, and you don't want to end up all those dust and debris inside your fan area. So when you remove the first one, you need to slide to the right the other one, and then it comes. It's a very smart type of design, I would say. They have designed 2 of this so they can fit it through this small cavity over here. And as you can see, we have lots of dust and debris that you don't really want to end up in that fan compartment. It also will be a good idea to use pressurized air inside that compartment. In case anything is in there, you can use pressurized air to remove it, or at least to try to remove it. It is also important to notice that there is an arrow that shows the airflow. So airflow is always from top to bottom. So this filter should go like that inside the compartment. So when you put back the new filters in, putting back this cover would be easy. So you need to first put the right hand side in, just like that, and then when you close it, you will feel that it's completely engaged, and then clip it like that and make sure it's completely tight and not going anywhere. Okay, before even trying to put back your glove box, I need to mention that there are a few important points over here. You see this slot over here, this plastic, it needs to be matched with this plastic over here on the glove box. Also, there is this plastic clip over here that matches with this that should be matched with this plastic over here. So make sure you do that. So far we had 3 screws. The one over here is a different one. These ones are with metal clip at the back. Okay, once you tighten those 3 top ones, you need to do also this one, very important, and then you will be able to close completely this. If you do all this job perfectly, this CD changer would not have any issue to come down at all. It should work freely, and then this light should also work. This is not working because lights are not on. And then finally after that, we will move to the lower section. There are 3 screws for here as well, and let's go ahead and tighten these 3 as well. Once you screw all these 3 screws, it's finally the time to put back this little plastic trim over here. Okay, that was all. Enjoy your new air filter and no smelly cabin for next few years. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching, liking, subscribing. Have a great day. Bye.
Let's go.